What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. I just want to jump in here real quick and let you know that this video has some issues. As you can see right here, I'm editing this video that you're about to watch now, and while I was editing this video, guys, I realized that the audio is really completely super duper bad. I don't know why. Matter of fact, I'm going to play it right now for you. Now, today I'm here shooting with
Nicole.
She's going to help us out in this location of mine. So it's absolutely starting to become, as you just heard, that audio is super bad. Now, what I did do is, at the end of this video, I did my normal outro, so you're going to hear it just a little bit because it wasn't as bad. So it was really, really strange, but I ended up redoing it and doing another video with Nicole probably a couple days ago, as y'all seen on that live. So I will give her a little bit more better video with some better quality audio. So I really hope you enjoyed the video that you're about to watch. And if you like my work, please consider yourself subscribing and leave a comment down below about what you think the audio issue was about. Just let me know. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Peace. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Nicole and I just put in for you. Now, Nicole, how did you enjoy it?
It was so much fun. So much fun.
This mic right now.
Wait, do I have to press a button or no?
No, you're fine.
No?
You're good.
Okay, do you want to do it again?
No. All right, guys, she got a problem with this whole mic thing, man. I don't know what's going on. She's so weirded out that it's a mic, that this is a microphone. She's so weirded out about it. I don't understand why.
I thought it was a camera clicker.
All right, guys. Well, anyway,
Yeah.
I really hope you enjoyed those photos that we just got finished doing, guys. And of course, if you like my work, please consider yourself subscribing to my channel. Nicole, do you want to say anything else to the peeps?
No.
If you want to work with all the social
No,
media,
thank you guys for watching. This was so much fun. We're not done yet, so stay tuned.
all right. And if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below because it's going to pop on the screen. Bye now. Until next video.
Until the next video.
Until the next video. She's out of the frame, guys. I don't know what she's doing. Until the next video. Peace. Hang on. I'm going to get back into the frame. Oh, there you are. Take it. All right.
No.